Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the VICOODA Smart Charging Station Dock and Organizer for iPhone, iPads, Apple Watch, smartphones and everything, watches. Yeah, here we see it. It's really nice for 6 devices to charge, and here we see the details how it might look with several phones and a watch, but you can use it also with a tablet. So here you see the features. It has a watch holder, detachable holders. It charges 6 devices at the same time, 5 times 2.4 amps and once with a QC 3.0, that's 3 amps as far as I know. It has a built-in smart charging chipset which prevents for overcharging, overcurrent. It has surge protection and temperature control, anti-scratch, a lot of features. You can see also the specification, and yeah, let's go to the let's open the box and see what's inside. So here we have the stand. So we have to a little bit assemble, but I guess not too much. Here we get all the cables. We have the adapter for the 110 volts. So the good thing is with this stand, it has this anti-slip feet, so it's really secure. That's a good thing, and you get all the charging cables. I mean, yeah, depending what you use, but it has a lot. So you can see all the different kind of adapters. 2 micro USB, 2 USB-C, and 2 lightning adapters. So that's pretty cool. All these separators come very well protected. And yeah, for one socket you can use either the watch holder, or you can add an additional separator for mobile phone or tablet. So this is how it looks, really nice. Here's some plastic, remove that later. So on the side we see all the ports. Here QC 3.0 and everything else has 2.4 volts. And here we have the power plug. So this is how it looks when we have set it up and ready to use. So we just take the first phone, have to find the port. Let's check if it will charge. Yeah, immediately it shows some charge. And we take the next one. Okay, yes, starts as well. And of course, if you are in the situation like me, when you need 3 times micro USB, you can take your own charging cable, and hopefully you will see that it's charging. Yeah, it is charging. We can even close or use it with a thick protection case, so there is enough space for to use it without or with a standard case, or even with a foldable case. So you're totally free to use whatever you want. There are just these 3x2 cable. If you need different ones, you can use your own cables. So that's absolutely no problem. and on the left side we have this nice blue LED which indicates that we are on power. So everything is charging 3 times. You can also use 6 phones, no problem at all. Yeah, really awesome stuff and full recommendation from my side. If you want to buy it, you can directly use my link down in the description and buy from there. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.